Good morning everyone. In today's class I will discuss third stage of PLC, that is product life cycle. The name of third stage is maturity stage. Here it is same written. The third stage of PLC is maturity stage. The products that withstand the heat of competition and customers approval enter the maturity stage. Yes, as before maturity stage we have studied introduction stage, growth stage. So now the products that still exist in market due to heavy competition and customers approval, those are able to enter in maturity stage. Now rivals means competitors copy product features of successful brands and become more alike. Alike means same. Here it means competitors or rivals also are copying the same features of the product and they are also producing the same products. So if same products are there in the market, then price wars begin. Price war, yes, the same product will have same kind of price. So here same written, the price wars begin along with heavy focus on unique brand features. Yes, सबके में कुछ unique भी होना चाहिए so that customer can get attract. Now in industry sales peak. Here industry means collection of companies. Industry is always bigger than company. Any industry can have many companies. For example, computer industry. Computer industry has two kinds of companies like hardware company, software company. Similarly, industry has two kinds of other industries, further industries as hardware industry, software industry. Software industries have many companies as IBM, Infosys, HP, HCL, Dell and many more. So here the whole industry sales peak and decline. Peak means highest. When industry sales peak means they reach at the highest level, then afterward they can decline only. There is no further improvement in increasing, because after the peak stage, which is the maximum point, only decline is left. So here industry sales peak. It is very important to note down in maturity stage, industry sales peak means they reach at the highest point and after some time they may decline. Why they will decline? Because there are middlemen also, wholesaler, retailer, who carry the product from manufacturer or producer to customer. Similarly, competitors are also there. So sales will peak and after some time they may decline. Also it is written, middlemen also introduce their own brands, which makes the competition even tougher. Further lowering profits. Yes, in industry will have lower profits because price will get low. Price wars are there, so everyone will reduce his or her price so as to attract customer. As prices are low, sales volumes are increasing, but for a particular company, not for industry. So in overall industry, if price is low, then economy will decrease. So there will be decrease in profits or lowering in profits. During this stage, the marketers are focusing efforts on extending the lives of their existing. यहाँ पे बस आपको ट्राई करना है कि आपके जो ब्रांड्स है एग्जिस्टिंग है उनको कितने लंबे टाइम तक आप सस्टेन कर सकते हो, बिकॉज पीक पॉइंट इज़ द हाइएस्ट पॉइंट, आफ्टरवर्ड देयर इज़ ओनली डिक्लाइन. सो द फीचर्स ऑफ मेच्योरिटी स्टेज आर, features means characteristics, these are cost again will be decreased. Cost will increase in only introduction stage, it will low in growth stage and further it will decrease in maturity stage, because production is in large volume, or we can say economies of scale. Next, sales volume peak. Yes, for any company sales volumes are at the peak. Market saturation. Here saturation means maximum point. So market saturation is also visible for a particular company. Competitors. Yes, competitors entering the market increase. Competitors are increasing. There is drop in price. Yes, price drop करना पड़ेगा because competitors are there. If nobody is decreasing price and anybody is increasing price, then no customer will come there. So there is drop in prices due to entry of competing brands or products. Advertising. Yes, you will have to spend advertising cost for making brand differentiation. Next, product features. Diversification. You can do diversification just to make your product better or different. or enhance your market share. Last, the industrial profits. Yes, I already discussed the industrial profits will decrease. Now marketing strategy. What can a marketer do? A marketer or product manager, here meaning is same, product manager or marketer same, means he or she has a vital role or important role for improving product को आज जितना improve कर लें आप, so that आप उनको reuse कर सकें anyway और unique कर दें. इसके अलावा कोई product की positioning useless है, then you can reposition it. Also you can modify your market, your product and marketing mix. Product marketing mix I have already discussed. Product price, place, promotion. So to be in competition you can do many things. You can improve your market, you can improve your product, you can improve your product features, you can make them unique. Also you can lower your price. Also you can enhance or improve or modify your marketing mix, product price, place, promotion. So this is the third stage of PLC, which is maturity stage. That's it for today. Next I will discuss in next video. Thank you.